the machine, we install the handles into the machine. And we can see here has 3 holes: water inlet, spill water hose, water outlet. Now we buy a bundle and insert it into the machine. And I add the water. When we see the water out from this hole, it means the water is full. We can stop at the water and press here for up the water. About the water outlet, normally we need to change the water every month. When we want to change the water, we need to open it and let the water out from the machine and then add the water again. Now we insert the power line and turn on the machine. Turn on the key switch, and here has an emergency button. When we receive the machine, it was turned on, so we need to turn it off. Normally, we don't need to turn it on. Only when we have an emergency during the operation, we need to turn it on. Once turned on, the machine will turn off. We can see here has 2 systems on the interface: hair removal system and DPL. Now we check the first one, hair removal system. Here is the pulse rate, working frequency, energy, coil system, counter. Now we start to set the parameter. The pulse rate we can set it to 3. And the frequency we can set it to 4. About the energy, its maximum value is 50 and the minimum value is 1. Usually we set it to 20. And the cooling system, when we turn it on, the handle will be in the cooling state, and if we turn it off, the handle will be in the normal temperature state. Usually we need to turn it on. The second system is DPL. It has 6 options on the interface: whitening, rejuvenation, freckle removing, wrinkle, and anti-redness. Their operation are the same. Here is the recording of different patients, and this is the pulse rate. Here is the pulse interval. This tool is already set in the backend, so we don't recommend say again. This is the speed of shooting. You can say to 4. This is the numbers of the pulse. You can say to 5. And this is the energy. Its maximum value is 50 and the minimum value is 1. Usually we say to 20. And this is the cooling system. When we open it, the handle will be in the cooling state. When we turn it off, the handle will be in the normal temperature state. Usually we need to turn it on.